Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite nude lipsticks and lip glosses. Now I know my mother is one example of a person that came into my bathroom one day and opened my drawer, and she was like, "Tiffany, why do you have all of the same color lipsticks in this drawer? Like, why did you spend your money on all the same color?" And I'm like, "Mom, they're not all the same color. They're all different nudes." And I just grabbed like a handful as an example to show you that these are not the same nudes. Now I have I have hundreds of lipsticks in just the nude drawer because obviously I guess I'm addicted to buying nude shades. But these are all different. And if you are a nude lipstick and lip gloss lover, then you understand that these are not all the same. Even though they do look similar, there are things about them that are different. So these are all from ColourPop, and I'll go through them if you want me to. I won't show you swatches of all of them because obviously they all look the same, but they're all different because some of them are glossy, some are matte, some are lighter colors, some are darker nudes, some are, you know, a sand color, tan color, pink color. So these are Midi, Fairy Floss. Fairy Floss is a very good gloss. Like what I did there. Strut, Strip, Likely, Naughty, and Aquarius. And Aquarius is really good too. So these are some of my ColourPop collection. Okay, so I'm gonna give you like some of my top favorite nudes, so you can decide if they're all the same or if they're different. So the first one is one that I'm wearing right now, and it's the Charlotte Tilbury Nude Kate. And what I like about Charlotte Tilbury's lip sticks is that they all, when you put them on, it looks like they have like a light reflecting filter on them. So it takes the color and it almost looks like you have highlighter built into your lipstick whenever you wear it. So it's got like this sheen to it that's really neat. So this is Nude Kate, another beautiful one that is not really, you know, the pinky cupcake nude that I love, but this one is nude or Pillow Talk. And the lip liner with this is also really pretty. So Pillow Talk is, oh, let me just show you a little swatchy. Okay, so Charlotte Tilbury is a must. And the next one I'm going to show you, I'm just going to take it off and redo it. So the next one that I love, that I've worn since high school, and I can't stop, is Myth. And it, just wait for it. I know that it is very icing cupcake. Now, somebody like me, and if you know me, and you know how much I love colors like this, I would wear it on its own. But you could always put a color over top to tone it down. And this one is the L'Oreal Infallible Dose of Cocoa. And so I like to mix these also. And this just kind of tones it down. And makes it darker. So this is that lip combo. Love this nude. Another one that I wear every day to work, and I keep it in my lunch bag, and it is the Bare Minerals And this is like a lip cream. It's like a lip gloss, but it's creamy. It doesn't dry down, and it's in the color Wink. And it's very comfortable. It doesn't leave those streaks. You know, whenever you take a drink of your coffee, and then it'll leave these lines. It doesn't do that. So it stays with you throughout the day. I think it doesn't look like the others. I feel like it's different, and I really like it. So this is Wink Bare Minerals. And I did a smoky eye so that you could see, like, because they say to wear the nude colors with your smoky eye, but I wear them with every eye. I mean, I love it. Okay, on the higher end, this is something that I researched because, you know, when you're spending this kind of money, like $52 for one tube of lipstick, you want it to be everything. So I looked at a video on YouTube of this woman that was doing like 100 swatches of all these Tom Ford collection that she had. And every lipstick that she tried on, I don't like wear every color, but I wanted every single one of them. And so I ended up getting the blush Nude. So this is what this looks like. And this also has the light reflecting properties in it. Charlotte Tilbury helped Tom Ford with his lip line, so I think that's why their formulas look kind of the same. But they're still very different and in their own right, very good. The next one is a great lip gloss, and I take it with me on vacation. This is Buxom White Russian, and this, when you put it on, it's just juicy, very juicy. It'll stay with you all day long, again, except this one is not matte at all. It's very shiny and not shimmery. It doesn't have any glitter in it. But it also has this tingly pepperminty feeling on it, and it's really nice. So this one is really good. And then the next one and the last one that I'll share with you is the Vivid Hot Lacquer from Maybelline. And this one is very pigmented, but it is a glossy, juicy, it's kind of like the Buxom, but it's more pigmented. This is in the shade Teeth. I think I already said that. Shade Tease. Very glossy, pigmented, and it will stay with you all day as well. And then some dupes for the Tom Ford. Let me just mention those real quick. From Flower Beauty. This one is Bare Pout. So this right here. And then this one is Peachy Nude. I'll put it underneath. So this one's Peachy Nude. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching my favorite nudes or all the same lip. Oh, real quick, let me share with you my favorite blush for right now. I only spent $3 on it, and it is from Walmart. Wet n Wild, and it's called Healthy Glow, and you need this in your life because this is a beautiful peachy pink right here. And it's easy to apply. You just put it on the apples of your cheeks and then dab it in with your fingers, and it is so pretty. It is, I've never tried cream blush before, and I love this thing. For $3, you cannot beat it. And then there's another powder blush that I bought that's equally as good, but I like the cream blush better. But this is called Keep It Peachy, and if you love the peach, pinky, nude blushes, then those are perfect for you. Thank you for watching, and I hope everybody has a great week, rest of the week. And for my giveaway, I'll notify the winner, and then I'll give a few of the nude lipsticks, and I'll put it in a makeup bag, and it will be all yours. All you have to do is like the video, be sure and subscribe, and leave a comment down below your favorite nude, and tell me that I'm not crazy, that all of these colors are different. You don't have to say that part, but anyways, thank you for watching.